Welcome, dear decor enthusiasts. Today we're excited to bring you a feast for the eyes and inspiration for your dining spaces. We've curated the best ideas to transform your dining room into a haven of style and comfort. Whether you're hosting gatherings or savoring quiet meals, these tips will help you create a space that speaks to your unique taste. So, grab a seat, and let's explore the art of dining room decor together. As we journey through these decorating ideas, we'll touch upon everything from captivating planters on dining tables to the magic of lighting, the elegance of vases, and the creative use of napkins. Plus, we'll unveil the secrets of crafting a captivating focal point and the art of presenting everyday items like salt and black pepper in style. 1. Planters on dining tables. Succulent centerpiece. Create a stunning succulent garden in a shallow planter as a low-maintenance, eye-catching centerpiece. Herb garden. Use small herb planters as table decor. It's not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional for adding fresh herbs to your dishes. 2. Lighting. Pendant drama. Install a trio of statement pendant lights above your dining table to create a striking focal point. They don't just illuminate, they command attention, turning your table into a stage of brilliance. Candlelit ambiance. Opt for a chandelier with candle-style bulbs to add a touch of elegance and warmth. Imagine the soft flicker of candle-style bulbs casting a timeless glow, where every meal becomes a romantic soiree. 3. Focal point. Hang a large mirror on one wall to create the illusion of space and reflect the beauty of your dining table decor. Watch as your room expands before your eyes, and the mirror becomes a silent storyteller, reflecting the captivating beauty of your dining table decor, like a living piece of art. Create a gallery wall featuring art pieces and family photos as a focal point. This unique focal point narrates your life's story and adds an eclectic charm to your space, making every meal an artistic experience. 4. Vase. Seasonal blooms. Decorate your dining table with a rotating selection of fresh seasonal flowers in a tall, elegant vase. Picture a tall and elegant vase that plays host to a rotating cast of colorful blooms. It's like having nature's finest on display, and it changes with the seasons, just like your favorite TV show. Ceramic charm. Use ceramic vases with intricate patterns for a touch of culture. They're like the fashion-forward accessories for your dining room, adding a touch of class and style. 5. Use of napkins. Fancy up your dining room decor with some napkin folding techniques and give your dining table a personalized touch that breathes life into your dining space. Every place setting becomes a canvas, and each napkin a work of art, adding a delightful dash of creativity to your dining room decor. Opt for colorful napkins that not only match your theme, but also enhance the beauty and style of your dining table. 6. Basket with salt and black pepper. Add a charming rustic touch to your dining table by using a woven or wooden basket to hold your salt and black pepper shakers. It's a simple trick that instantly brings warmth and character to your dining space. For an even more elevated dining experience, consider using artisanal salt and pepper grinders. They not only enhance the flavor of your meals, but also add a touch of gourmet sophistication to your table. 7. Candle decor. Without candles, no dinner table is truly complete. They're the secret ingredient to a magical dining experience. Elevate your dining table decor with the warm, enchanting glow of candlelight, turning every meal into a delightful and unforgettable experience. These ideas are all about making your dining room decor uniquely yours, reflecting your personal style and preferences. And if you're someone who loves trying out different and unique styles, your dining room is the perfect canvas for your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration to elevate your home decor. Happy decorating, and let's make your dining room the heart of your home.